Alright, so welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing video in the mobile recording studio that I like to call my car. It's the 2019 Toyota Corolla. If you are looking to buy a new car or looking to become a rideshare driver, but you feel like for some reason you can't buy a new car, like you, I don't know, you might have bad credit or something, you may want to consider checking these guys out at www.splend.com.au. They do good things. They'll help you out. It's just, you know, they've got a lease to own plan, which is pretty good. I'm on that. I'm paying the car off. They've also just got a weekly rental plan, which you know, that just seems like throwing money away. However, without further ado, let's get into it. Once again, thank you very much to the splendid people at Splend. But today we're doing an unboxing video, like I said. This is the Alcosense Novo Fuel Cell Breath Analyzer. Okay, or Breathalyzer if you want for short. I in no way condone drinking and driving. I do believe that the safest way to stay under the alcohol limit is to just not drink at all. However, sometimes the occasion calls for it. There might be an emergency, or you might think that you're okay to drive after a heavy night on the drink, when in fact, you know, you get pulled over, you find out the hard way that you're not okay to drive. In New South Wales now, it is it's unfortunately a license lost if you blow over 0.2% or 0.2 whatever. If you blow over the legal limit, that's your license gone. So you might think you're okay to drive, but you're not. So anyway, I decided I'd buy this and give this a go. So without further ado, let us open up the box. It smells like cardboard. So inside the box you got that nice little plastic tray right there, and it's got all your goodies in it. So let's pull that out and have, oh, you got a free little piece of foam here as well. That's cool. That's pretty awesome. Not really. Okay, so you got your foam. You got your, what I can only assume is the user manual. Yep, there it is, right there, user's manual. Now with these things, you got to send them off every few months to Melbourne to be calibrated. So this has your instructions on how to use it and everything. Yep, it's also got a registration form there, so I assume you've got to fill that out and send it off. Register online and it gives you the website there. If you prefer the old-fashioned method, complete this form and forward it to the address. Okay, so there is an address on the back there as well. I believe you've actually got to do this because, like I said, these things have to be sent into their center to be recalibrated every few months. You got your warranty there, warranty details, and that's it. Australian blood alcohol limits. Adult license, okay, so it's 0.05%. Some drivers are restricted to lower levels of BAC. Please refer to your local transport authority for your correct limit. Alright, so this is manufactured to Australian standards, which are the same standards that the police ones are manufactured to. So in the box, you have, in our little plastic thing, we have our mouthpieces. You get given 5 of them. Okay, to begin with, these are a single-use only thing, so you got to keep going back for more. I think you got to order more every now and then, which is sort of crap, but oh well. They've given you, unlike every toy you ever received for Christmas, the batteries are included. Alright, so I can't imagine this thing being too power thirsty, but you know, we'll find that out. And then the pièce de résistance. Here is your Alcosense Novo, the item itself, the man, the legend. Okay. And there it looks like in the top, that's where your little straw thing goes. So let's give it a test run. So you got your battery door at the back. We're going to be pulling that out off. Okay, so yep, that's only a 2 battery thing. And what in the... Alright, so you got a couple of little components inside here as well. It looks like there's some sort of plastic thing there. I don't know what that is. You know, we'll go through the instruction. I'll go through the instruction manual a bit later on. Who am I kidding? I'm not gonna do that. It's not gonna happen. Alright, so here we go. We open the batteries. Why do manufacturers always put the batteries in these weird little plastic things? You know, they're so hard to open. Sorry about that. Children at the car window. Got our batteries out. There we go. I'll put that down next to the box, and let's actually get the batteries in here. Okay. I hope that's the right way. I really do, because I kind of want to use this right now. Oh, look at that. You got a nice little sign on the back there that says Made in Korea. Right, so I'm going to peel this piece of plastic film off the front there, much against what I normally like doing with these sort of technology things. Turns out that was a mistake, because I thought that all of this stuff was actually attached to the film. It wasn't. And let's go with the first use of my Alcosense Novo. I should be under the limit. I mean, I haven't had any drinks today. I had a few beers last night. So let's see if it picks anything up. I think that's correct. That way, right. This is going to be embarrassing if I blow over on this thing. Oh, it plays a nice little fanfare for you and gives you a thing that says on. I don't know what that reading, why that's going down. I'm assuming that, it looks like it's counting down to begin the breath test or something. Blow, okay, see, it says blow. Why does it say flow? Okay, let's figure out what flow means. Where's the user manual? Flow, the breath sample is not strong enough for measurement. Please switch on the device again and make sure to exhale into the mouthpiece steadily and continuously for at least 3 to 5 seconds until the beep is heard. Right, okay. So I'm going to power you back on, right. Wait for the countdown. Oh, that sounded like it cracked. Okay, let's go. Still with the flow, okay. We're going to figure this out again. We're going to do this. We are going to do this. Here we go, waiting for the countdown yet again. And it's going to go down, and then it'll come up with blow. Okay. What the hell is flow? Why does it keep doing that? Oh. The device will display on along with the welcoming sound, then we'll start warming up to prepare the sensor and circuit. I'm beginning to think this thing doesn't frickin' work. Alright, let's see what happens when I blow into the other side. No, I'm not going to do that. This is annoying. What again with flow? Why is it saying flow? Am I blowing too hard or something? Okay, let's do this one more time, and then I think I'll call it a wrap on this video. Okay. Oh well, I don't know what's going on, but thank you guys very much for watching. Please like this video, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be a part of the notification gang, press the bell icon too. Thanks very much, and I'll see you guys next time.